Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the app is updated and stable. This prevents missing features. Once done, open the app and find the menu, usually a hamburger icon or the word menu. Tap it and scan for settings, tools, or more because those group key controls. Make sure to pause and note any labels. They tell you where core functions live. Then, choose the section that most closely matches your goal so you can begin direct adjustments immediately. Next, you navigate deeper using search or filters inside the menu to reach the right setting faster. Once there, toggle switches, select presets, or type specific values. These controls change behavior immediately or after you save. If an option opens a submenu, expand it to reveal advanced controls and remember which settings impact speed or battery life. Make incremental changes and observe responses so you can link cause and effect. Finally, apply or save your changes and test the feature immediately so you see the result. You should close and reopen the specific tool or use a shortcut to confirm consistent behavior. If things work, note shortcuts or long press actions that speed repeat tasks. If something breaks, try resetting that menu section or check logs to identify the cause before reverting everything. One quick tip. Clear temporary cache for that feature first. It often resolves weird glitches without losing your customizations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.